And Guitumelo Radiopane also makes a first start in the Betway Premiership. Those changes, your thoughts on that? And Mukibelo Ramabu came off the bench at the weekend. He gets to start in their attack for the first time. All set for action, and it will be the birthday boy, Oswin Apollos. Happy birthday to him. He turns 25 this evening. He gets the party started, right? Scored in very big goals and contributed in very many important matters. Could be something on here. Good pressure being put on here by Sekhukhune Pirates. Not clearing their lines. And Sekhukhune also struggling to get the ball away.
In games, but he was able to slow the game down when it's required to. Really, his creativity is exciting. But yet again, from a Orlando Pirates team this season, you're going to need somebody that's going to be able to, you know, control that tempo, slow things down to be able to play.
Shot from him, Sendame. Easy. But how much of a thorn in the side of Orlando Pirates they've been as Radiopane gives chase. Oh, great commitment from Radiopane. They're chasing lost causes, and it was just a crazy tight angle there. But
indeed, he spoke earlier as to the hunger that he showed in the preseason. Look at this. Normally, a striker like that's the goalkeeper's ball, but look at the hunger that he shows. Using also the right foot. Those are the spaces they need to get yourself into to help the team defend.
Apollos. Siama. Sibele took a deflection in the 4-4. Radiopane scores! Oh, he's waited for this one for a long time. And he's up and running. Brought into the starting lineup. And he answers. And he answers the confidence shown in him tonight. But could be in here. Oh, was it Mujela again? Kazim goes with him. Tianin, the referee, no, doesn't have a whole lot more time, and that's it for the first half. Then referee Pilarenko Kumalo gets us back underway. It is Sekhukhune United in the green. If you've just joined us, they get us back under. Didn't even give a free kick. So here's a ref that tends to let things go. As a header, it's just wide. Just another warning there for Orlando Pirates. Ramabu attacking it. Did very well to get in front of the defender here, Tekomodisa.
It did very well. We can see there's so much time for Kazim on the left-hand side to be able to bring that ball in. This is the third big opportunity that Sekhukhune have created. They all came from a cross. This time around, it finds Ramabu inside the box. Positioning wasn't proper to allow him to be able to bring that ball inside the box. But this is the Mjela that they need, the more aggressive one.
Now, could be problems here. Empty net for the birthday boy! Happy birthday to you! And many happy returns, Oswin Apollos. Sekhukhune United caught out on the counter. And that might be able to get anything out of this game there. Going to the deep over this one, and Vance easy pickings for. And a sign from Auburn College. Now what a pass that was! Oh, chunk of time. Can Sekhukhune set up a grandstand finish here? Chance here! Mujela straight at the keeper. Oh,
it's important to get introduced into this team as soon as possible. It's important for him to get into the score sheet to have that confidence.
Shot from range, way too far out to trouble Sipo Chain. Offside there. Not much of a shot there. In 50 matches for Abdeslam Wadu. He throws his ball in. Taken out of the air as a Pedersen attacked it. And that's it.